How to recover deleted story on TikTok. So if you want to recover your deleted story on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, now you just need to simply go with profile, which is on the bottom right. From your profile, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down until you find report a problem section. So you just need to simply tap on report a problem, and from here you need to scroll down and you can either select story option, or you just need to simply go with feedback section. Once you click on feedback, or once you go with chat with us, you'll be able to send a feedback. You need to just enter my story was gone and I want to recover it, and after that you need to send the feedback, and after sending that feedback your problem might be fixed. Or you can also just simply go with your recycle bin. You may have the recycle option, the trash option. You can simply go with the recycle or trash and you may recover. Or if you don't have that, then you can also just simply go and post your story again. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.